Hey guys, my name is BNS.
Hey everyone.
I believe in constant and never-ending improvement. And in this process, I try to learn something from everyone. And in this video, I will share what I have learned from Stephan. So the first lesson I have learned from Stephan is that we should track our spending. See, we can't correct something unless we track it or measure it, right? Many people complain that the money they are getting is not enough, so they need to earn more.
I need that money.
So in reality, one should know exactly why the money is not enough. So they have to track it. See, only then we will know where to cut back. It's similar to time management. Many people say that I don't have enough time. I don't have time.
Please, I don't have any time for any gossip now. Eh? Yes.
But in reality, they waste so much time that if they start to track their time, they will automatically know where they are spending most of their time. So what Graham is trying to say is that we should track our spending so that we know where we are spending our money. And if we are spending it for unnecessary things, we can easily cut back. So the second lesson I have learned from Graham is that we should not unnecessarily spend on things. Let me explain. See, Graham always says that he don't buy Starbucks, right? Why? Because we can easily or cheaply make coffee ourselves at home at low cost. So why should we spend $5 or $10 on a Starbucks coffee? Many people say that don't be cheap. Why are you being cheap? It's not being cheap, it's being smart. So Graham says that many people have this misconception that if I'm not treating myself, then I'm not enjoying myself.
You know how much I sacrificed?
And that's a very big misconception. Many people suck into this misconception and they ruin their lives. For example, many people spend like hundreds and thousands of dollars on bags and dresses. But if you see the utility of that, it's very, very less. If you ask me, I will say it's not being lavish, it's being foolish.
Say it again.
It's not being lavish, it's being foolish.
Great.
It's okay to spend on your dream car or dream house.
Garage, just bought Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than Hollywood Hills? This new Lamborghini here.
Or dream dress or bag for some time. But if you keep on buying those things for prestige or as a status symbol, it's nothing but foolishness. So the third lesson is that use credit cards.
What?
Why? Because let us say you are spending some money through your debit card, okay? You are spending your actual money and you don't get any reward back. But if you spend using credit card, you will get some rewards. But please don't take this in a wrong way. You have to pay your credit card bills by the end of the month. Otherwise, don't follow this tip. It's for those people who can pay back their money in time so that there will be no burden.
I get it. Thank you.
See, the reason why Graham suggests us to use credit cards is that by using credit cards, you can get some reward, right?
It's like a reward.
In form of travel points or some rewards, right? Then you can easily use those points to get free flights or free hotel nights, something. So be smart here. So once you know what it means, you'll never lose out this opportunity. So the fourth lesson is health is wealth. Yes. Even though Graham is the highest frugal dude you have ever seen on the internet, he never hesitates to spend his money on something that gives him long-term return. For example, like health. So it's always wise to spend on something that gives us long-term return. The best example is health.
Why don't you just put some broccoli in there?
So investing on our health gives the best ROI, okay?
How do you do that?
Work out, plenty of rest, eat your green vegetables.
So don't be cheap when you are spending some time or spending some money on your health because the long-term benefit is huge. See, it's like when you are going to a destination, it's a very important destination. Your friend asks you that you are running out of fuel, so please fill the tank. You will say that I don't have enough time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yes, I have to reach it within time. See the foolishness here? Unless you fill the tank, you cannot reach your destination. So many people, when we say that, why don't you spend your time or money on health? They will say that I don't have enough time. But if we look at the long term, our destination can't be fulfilled unless we are healthy. See, healthy people have millions of dreams, but unhealthy people have only one dream, that is to bring their health back. So don't be unhealthy. So the fifth point he always says is that we should always have multiple streams of income. So some people may earn lots of money from their primary job. It's okay. It's okay that you earn so much, but it's always wise to invest in other things like stock market, or it's always wise to have multiple streams of income. For example, affiliate or some kind of things, so that when there is a disaster or when there is a crisis, you don't fall into a debt trap. See, why passive income is very important is that it makes money while we sleep, right? So we should have such kind of income so that we can take more risks. See, if a person don't have any income, like any side income, then he cannot take risks. So it's always wise to have multiple streams of income.
Hello.
So in Graham style, destroy and smash that like button so that the algorithm can be triggered. So wait. I forgot to say say something that you guys are awesome. Tag.
They love me.